Today, we're diving into the Daily Goodie Box, a website that promises to send you free products to try out. If you're like me, the idea of getting samples for free sounds great, but does it actually work as promised? I'll walk you through everything I experienced. First, the sign-up process is pretty straightforward. You just create an account, fill out a quick survey to match you with relevant products, and then wait to see if you qualify for a box. Now, let's talk about the boxes themselves. Once I received my first Daily Goodie box, I was excited to see what products I would be trying. The box usually includes a variety of snacks, health products, beauty items, and more. It's nice to see they try to personalize it to some extent based on the survey results. However, not all the items I received were a perfect fit for my preferences. Some were products I wouldn't typically buy, which is fine since it's all about trying new things. But I was hoping for more relevance to my specific tastes. I did appreciate the variety of brands they feature though. The boxes aren't just filled with cheap, unknown brands. There are some recognizable names included, which made the experience feel a bit more premium. That being said, there were a few smaller, lesser-known brands that I wouldn't have discovered otherwise, and that was a nice touch. However, one thing I didn't enjoy was the lack of consistency in the boxes. Some months I received quite a few items, while other months it was just a few small samples. I definitely like to see a more consistent experience. Also, be aware that just because you sign up doesn't mean you'll get a box right away. There seems to be some waiting involved depending on your profile and availability. But let's talk about the good part. You get free products to try. That's the main draw of Daily Goodie Box. And while the boxes aren't perfect, I found some real gems inside. I discovered new snacks and beauty products that I probably wouldn't have tried otherwise. If you're curious about how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts, I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiveMeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. The site does require some patience, but overall, it's an interesting service that allows you to test products for free. So, is Daily Goodie Box worth it? If you're someone who loves trying new products, and you don't mind waiting a little while to receive your box, then yes, it's definitely worth checking out. Just remember, you won't always get a box, and the selection of products can vary quite a bit. But if you're okay with that, and enjoy the thrill of unboxing new items, then give it a shot. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the links in the description for more helpful information. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching.